Okay, so good afternoon all. Today we'll be explaining you the new model which we have launched is a question bank with database. So here you can see is the module question bank database. So what we have done here is we have added all the questions, all the chapters, and everything into the database. So it would become easier to generate question papers. So because there's a lot of data here, initially it takes a little time to load. So you can see here that there are almost 21,000 questions we have added till now. Still, we are adding some questions. Now here you can see we are given option of CBSE and state. So if you want to generate question paper for CBSE, we'll select CBSE. Because there's a lot of data, it takes little time to load. So there are total 13,000 questions we have added for CBSE. So these are all the different classes. Like every class wise, we have given bifurcation. So it's standard. Then so you can see all the subjects for each standard. Say we select mathematics. So you can see the questions for mathematics 8th standard and you can select the chapters. So we have added all the chapters here. Okay. So this is just view questions. And now suppose I want to generate a question paper. So I'll go to generate question paper. I will select CBSE. Then say I want to generate question paper from 9th standard. I'll select 9th standard. I'll select mathematics. So here I can see all the chapters. So I can select the chapters which I want to generate result this progress card for. Then here exam name I'll type say unit test. Exam date this is not mandatory but we can fill so that this part would be displayed in header. Exam time we can say give 9 a.m. Total marks say 50 marks and duration say 2 hours. So I'll say show question types. So now it has given me all the question types which are available for these chapters. So the chapters which you have selected here. So it has given me all the different questions available. So in MCQ for these five chapters, there are altogether 20 questions. So I say I want five questions of this. So I'll select five here. So similarly for filling the blanks, there are this. So I can select five short answer questions, diagram based assertion, reasoning. So so we can give them like how many questions we want for each type and assertion the case base or identify the correct statement. So three. Okay, and I'll say generate questions randomly. So now it has given me the bifurcation. Like overall now 37 marks question paper is total has been done till now. Now I can see this is the selected question. Okay, find the points intersection and all this. So this marks is five, and this which chapter this question is from. Okay, so if I want to move it up and down, I can I can move up and down here, or if I want to remove any of the question, I can remove it from here, or if I want to add any question, I can just click on plus here. So these are the remaining questions. At the bottom, I can see the other remaining questions at the bottom, and this way. So now I can see 42 marks has been done. And if I click on here and summarize, so here it will give me the like each chapter, like suppose in number systems, total now 8 marks has been done. And what is the like bifurcation, how that is divided this way. So so we'll give you a summarize like fill in the blanks now total and which how the it has been divided amongst the chapters. So similarly, you can see short answer questions or say MCQs. So this way you can see all the questions, and we can add or add any questions, and So you can add any questions and you can then remove. So now till 45 marks is done. So we can still add some. Okay, 49 marks is so 1 mark we need to add more. So this. And one more thing is you can we can also like which question type we want first. Say we want MCQ first, then you can drag and drop it over there. So filling the blanks, and then you want to identify the correct statement, the short answers. So this is how you can. And then I'll say so. Finally, you can go to summarize, and you can see how all this how the distribution is. Now in number system, total it is of 9 marks. We have given polynomial 6 marks, linear equations. So this is how we can see this. And then I can say save question paper draft. Because I think a lot of data is there. I'll just check, what we can do to streamline this. So here you can see the questions we have added. We can see print paper. So here also we can see the question paper generated. Okay. So we can directly take a printout of this and view this. Okay. Or if you want to even edit it, so we can say can edit it from here. And once we save the question paper draft, then once we have saved, we won't be able to edit it. So now once I have saved it, then we won't be able to edit it. Okay. So this is what it is about the new question bank with database. Okay. Thank you all.